Imagine a CDMO partner who not only understands the critical importance of your high-potent drug products, but also aligns with your mission to bring life-changing therapies to patients around the globe. At PCI, we leverage advanced containment technology to ensure the safe and efficient development of your highly potent medicines. Our versatile manufacturing capabilities cater to a wide range of dosage forms, ensuring your product meets the highest quality standards. With our comprehensive pharmaceutical development and clinical trial manufacturing services, we prioritize speed to market without compromising safety. As your product transitions from clinical phases to commercial launch, our flexible, globally compliant facilities stand ready to adapt to your evolving needs. And our global packaging and distribution network is designed to meet the unique demands of your highly potent product, ensuring it reaches patients safely and effectively. At PCI, your vision for life-changing healthcare solutions becomes our shared goal. Together, delivering life-changing therapies. Let's talk future.